Crispy fried chicken. Ingredients: 4 cups all-purpose flour, divided. 2 tablespoons garlic salt. 1 tablespoon paprika. 3 teaspoons pepper, divided. 2 half teaspoons poultry seasoning. 2 large eggs. 1/2 cups water. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 broiler, fryer chickens, 3/2 to 4 pounds each, cut up. Oil for deep fat frying. Directions: in a large shallow dish, combine 2 2/3 cups flour, garlic salt, paprika, 2 half teaspoons pepper and teaspoons poultry seasoning. In another shallow dish, beat eggs and 1/2 cups water, add 1 teaspoon salt and the remaining 1/3 cup flour and half teaspoon pepper. Dip chicken in egg mixture, then place in flour mixture, a few pieces at a time. Turn to coat. In a deep fat fryer, heat oil to 375 degrees. Working in batches, fry chicken, several pieces at a time, until skin is golden brown and a thermometer inserted into chicken reads 165 degrees, about 7-8 minutes on each side. Drain on paper towels.